In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly use an EpiPen, whether you're helping someone with allergies or just want to be prepared. These steps can save a life. So stay tuned and let's go through the process step by step. Before we dive in, it's important to know the difference between an EpiPen and an EpiPen Junior. The EpiPen is designed for individuals weighing 30 kilos or more, while the EpiPen Junior is for children weighing between 15 to 30 kilos. Both work the same way, but they deliver different doses of epinephrine based on body weight, as well as varying in colour to help distinguish between them. To use an EpiPen, firstly, have the casualty lie down or sit them up if breathing is difficult. Now remove the EpiPen from its protective packaging and check the viewing window to ensure the medication is clear, as well as checking the expiry date. As long as the medicine is clear, if an EpiPen is out of date, you can still use it, it just might not be as effective. Now with your dominant hand, firmly grip the EpiPen in the middle. Make sure your thumb is closest to the blue end and your fingers are wrapped around the body. Hold the EpiPen with the orange tip pointing downwards. Next, remove the blue safety cap by pulling it straight off. Remember, never touch the orange tip. This is where the needle comes out. Place the orange tip against the outer thigh. An EpiPen can only inject through one layer of clothing, so if necessary, make sure to avoid pockets and seams. Push down hard until you hear a click. This sound means the injection has started. Make sure to hold the EpiPen in place for 3 seconds to ensure all the medication is delivered. After 3 seconds, remove the EpiPen from the thigh. For safety, the orange tip will extend to cover the needle automatically. Once the injection is complete, immediately call emergency services and inform them that an epinephrine injection has been administered and medical attention is required. Stay calm and wait for help to arrive. Keep the used EpiPen for medical staff to inspect. Note the time the injection was given to inform healthcare professionals when they arrive.